The Yorkshire Shadow MPCs today voted to hold interest rates at 0.5% and to keep the quantitative easing programme at 375 billion. There was a range of views, but I think in summary the committee felt that whilst there is clearly a recovery underway, there are still some considerable risk factors and it's too early to make any significant changes.
I have a view that as far as this country is concerned and the economy, we are stronger than many, but we can't afford at this juncture in time to ignore the fact that the economy needs growth, and that growth comes from selling our products abroad, not just from our financial sector. And therefore a further reduction in the base rate of 0.25% at this point in time, as opposed to quantitative easing, would do more good for the country than the opposite, which would be a further liability of debt built up in the Bank of England.
Well, I think most of us voted for a hold of interest rates, not surprisingly, and actually no change in QE. I think the view is that whilst there is signs of a recovery, and certainly we're seeing signs of that in our business, that's still very early days. It's still pretty fragile, and we wouldn't want to upset that by raising interest rates at this point in time. I just sense that things are getting a little bit easier. Some of our clients in the retail sector are doing very well, manufacturing. So overall, a bit more positivity in our client base than there was 6 months ago. And we're able to get the odd price rise through, which makes it all the better for everybody.